of a number. I can use multiples and factors to solve problems. I can tell whether a number is prime or composite. What does prime mean? What do we say prime mean? Huh? It only has one multiple, one times itself. What does composite mean? More than one. Very good. Alright. Which one does not belong? Which one does not belong? Stop making that noise. Which one does not belong? There's only one. Which one doesn't belong? Jarrell says C. Alright.
This one.
Which one? A? Y?
It goes to.
It ends at 20? All of them end at 20. What else?
No, it's not. Oops. Yeah,
It's okay, go ahead.
oh, yes.
Why do you think it's not A? Why do you think A don't belong?
Because it's 5 and 5 and 15 really 5 and 15 and these have 10 and 5.
Oh, so you're saying that the number just increases like repeated addition? And then that one just doesn't have a solid number, it just repeated, it just picks random numbers? Okay. Jarrell, which one you say? C? Why you pick C?
This dollar is 0 and a marker. It's said for 10, but 10 is not helping.
You think it's not by 10? It is jumping? Alright, I think it's A too. Which one doesn't belong? I think it's A because it doesn't really give a solid multitude of what it is. But we can say that, because it looked like it's saying 5 plus 15 is 20, right? But this one's saying 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 20. This one's saying it's 10. Well, I guess it's true because it is adding. So I don't know. I'm going to say A.
2.
Alright.
C.
Alright, so this is the problem you already tried, but we're going to make sense of the problem. Hummus is a food spread made from beans called chickpeas. Who ever had chickpeas before? Yeah, me neither. Chickpeas don't sound good, don't sound like I want to eat it. Molly has 5 cups of chickpeas. She uses 2 cups of chickpeas to make 1 full batch of hummus. Molly makes only 1 full batch of hummus. What is the problem about?
Multiplication.
It's about multiplication, but what is it about? What does she want to do?
Multiply it together.
Multiply it together to make what?
To make a number. To make the number.
1 full what?
1 full bowl.
Batch
1 full batch
of hummus, right? So she want to make 1 full batch of hummus. She has 5 cups of chickpeas. She used 2 cups of chickpeas to make 1 full batch of hummus. Molly makes only 4 batches of hummus. So they want to know if she can make a full batch. Does she use all of her chickpeas? Does she use all of her chickpeas? Yes or no?
No. She used 2 cups.
Yeah, she only used 2 cups to make how many? So if we was to subtract, 5 minus 2 is what?
5
Just cook them done.
And then she got 1 more. She can make 1 more batch, right?
Yeah.
So how many more batches? How many more cups does she need?
1.
So how many cups of that? How many cups did she use?
Two.
2, right? Alright, so let's solve and support. Let's try to do this problem together. So hummus is a food spread made from beans called chickpeas. That is cool. It gives us information, but do we need it? No, we don't really need it. So let's cross that part out.
Oh, no.
We don't really need it. Molly has 5 cups of chickpeas. How many cups of chickpeas does she have? 5. Right? She uses 2 cups of chickpeas to make 1 full batch of hummus. Huh? 2 cups. So to make 1 cup or 1 batch, how many chickpeas do we need? 2 cups, right? Molly makes only 4 batches of hummus. Does she use all of her chickpeas? Let's figure it out. Let's figure it out. 1 batch take 2 cups. So if we was to take away 2, how many do we have now? 3. We need to take away another 2.
That would be 1.
Can we do anything with that 1?
No.
No. So how many batches can she make?
1.
How many? How many?
2.
Thank you. How many does she have left over? 1 cup left over. 1 cup of what?
1 cup of
Yep, she got 1 cup of chickpeas left over, alright? Alright, ask the partner. How can you explain that again? So what did she do? What did she do? She just what? This is just like a recipe, right? If I have too much, what's gonna happen? It's gonna taste the same?
No.
It's gonna taste different? So why does when we have like a recipe on the back of food, why do you think they give us the recipe?
So we can know how to make it.
So we can know how to make it. Very good. Alright, so let's try it. Let's discuss, compare as a class. Hummus is a food. That's the same thing we just did as a whole group. So you can use a picture to help understand the problem. The picture shows the chickpeas. Picture shows chickpeas Molly has divided into 2 cups. So how much is each cup worth? Look at this. Look at this picture. How much is each cup worth? How much is in each cup we can fill it up to? Looking at your picture, how much can go in each cup? 2 cups, right? 2 cups, right? Very good. So that last cup, we can't really use it. Why? It's not a whole cup. Very good. Alright, you can also use a number line to help you understand the problem. The numbers line shows multiples 2 circled. To find the multiples of 2, you can start at what?
2.
Start at what?
Start at
0. And skip count by what?
2.
Skip count by 2. You can see that multiples are 2 or what?
2.
What is 2? Are they?
Multiple.
Nope. The even numbers.
Oh.
What's the difference between even and odd numbers? It's just like prime and composite numbers.
Even
2. What else?
6 and 8.
10. What's odd numbers?
1, 3, 5, 7, and 9.
Very good. Alright, so we know that you can see that if we skip and count by 2s, you can see that multiples are 2 are even numbers. Alright, why does the picture using measuring cup hold 2 cups of chickpeas? Because what does it take? The recipe requires what? 2 cups of chickpeas. Very good. Nope. Write that down. Why does the picture using measuring cups that holds 2 cups of chickpeas? Why? Tell me why. Write it down. We on number one. Do it work? Okay. Number one says, why does the picture use measuring cups that hold 2 cups of chickpeas? Why? Because what does the recipe require?
2 cups.
Of what?
Chickpeas.
To make what? To make one full batch of hummus. Very good. This is still hummus. Hummus is over here. Alright, number 2. Number 2, you finished with number 1? Alright, give me one more minute. One more minute. Giovanni, set up. How you end up over there anyway? You can sit at the desk. Alright, number 2 says, how can you tell from the measuring cups? Look at the measuring cups. That Molly does not use 5 full cups. How many cups is in the first one? How many cups did she use in the first one?
2.
How many did she use in the second one?
2.
And then the other one is what?
1.
Does that add to 5? What's 2 plus 2?
Oh,
What's 2 plus 2? 4. Plus 1 more is what? So, how can you tell from the measuring cup that Molly does not use 5 cups of chickpeas to make a full batch? Because what do we need for that for the third one? It needs to be how many more cups?
1.
Yeah, 1 more cup. So we can write down what? She needs 1 more cup to fill up the last measuring cup. Yep. She needs 1 more cup of chickpeas to fill up the last measuring cup. She needs what? 1 more cup to fill the third measuring cup. Look at number 3, Jarrell, while you wait. What do the circle numbers on the number line represent? What do we say? 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10 represents what? Multiples of what? Composite number? Okay. No, it represents what? Multiples of what? If we was to count by 2, it would be multiples of what? Look at it. are what? Yep, so it should be right there. Yep. Multiples of 2 that are even numbers.
Number 3.
Yep.
I'm going this space.
Write smaller. Don't write so big. Alright, number 4. Number 4 says, how can you tell from the number line? Where's the number line? Put your finger on the number line. How can you tell from the number line that 5 is not a multiple of 2? How can you tell? 5 is not a multiple of 2. How do we know? Look at the number line. Look at the number 5. How do we know it's not a multiple of 2? Hey, Miracle. Happy birthday, Miracle. When your birthday? Huh? November 23rd?
No, November 16th.
16th. What's today?
13.
November 13th.
Oh, girl, I thought it was your birthday today. I'm sorry. I thought you wanted to come to school because you was at your party. Can you close the door?
Because it's not.
It's not circle, right? Because if it stop at 4, if I count 2 more, is that 5 or is it 6?
It's
So we know that 5 is not a multiple of 2 because what? It does not skip count by what? Exactly. What you need to write there?
only like 5, 7.
Yes, and it's not an even. It's not an even number.
Wait, what was the thing on number 4?
Number 4. How can you tell from the number line that 5 is not a multiple of 2? How can you tell that? Because what? What do you know? It's not circled, and it's not what? Counted by what? By what? Thank you. Miracle, when you get done with your breakfast, you can work on extra math, okay? Rayshawn, okay. C-I-R-C. Yes, you can. C-L-E-D. It's not circled or what?
Stop biting your hand.
What else? It's not a what? Multiple of what? Multiple of what? Very good. Rayshawn, Raquan, you can go to number 5. Number 5 says, how many cups of chickpeas will Molly use in 3-4 batches of hummus? She wanted to make 3-4 batches. How many do she need? How many cups? Yep, so how many cups would that be? Huh?
2 cups.
Yep, we need to make this into 2 cups, right? So she need 1 more cup. So how much would that be altogether? 2.
6.
Yep. Alright, number 5 says, how many cups of chickpeas will Molly use to make 3 full batches of hummus? She needs 3 of those, right? Ain't that 3? That's what she wanna make, 3 batches. How many do she need? We got 5, right? How many more does she need? If she add 1 more, how many would it be? 2, 4. Yep, so what we need to put there? 6 what? No. 6 what? 6 cups, very good. 6 cups of what? What's these called again? Chick. Yes. Alright, number 6 says explain how you can find whether a number such as 5 is a multiple of 2. How can you tell if a number is a multiple of 2? If 5 is a multiple of 2? How do you know? How can you tell? Thank you. Can you write that down? And you can skip count by what? Thank you. Write that down for number 6. You probably need some headphones, Giovanni, because I don't want to hear your computer. Alright. We are done on time. We're going to do number 8 and number 9 and 10. 8, 9, and 10.
That's even.
Alright, we're going to do 8, 9, and 10 really fast, and then we're going to go skip number 7. Skip number 7. Go straight to number 8. I'm going to read it out loud so we can do it really quick. Nolan plays on a soccer team. He plays on the what? A soccer team. His dad is bringing water for the team to the next game. There are 4 bottles of water in a pack. The team needs 20 bottles of water. Can Nolan dad buy 20 bottles in packs of 4? Show your work. No. We can skip count by to get to what? Show me how to do it. Do me a number line. I want to see it, how it looks in a number line. Skip count by 4s to get to what?
Just divide.
Nope. Listen. We're skip counting, right? How we skip count? And we gonna stop at what number? Yes. Show me how to do it. We can divide if that's what you want to do, but I want to see you do it with the number line. 4. What comes next? What number should that be? And then what number should that be? Yep. Keep going. What you got? 4, 8, 12. What you stop at? 12? Both of y'all stopped at 12? So 12, count 4 more. 12, 13, 14, 15. What goes there? 15?
16.
Yes. many cases of water does it then need to get?
Then 20. Oh,
We stopped at 20.
yeah.
You need 5 cases of water, 5 packs of 4-pack to get 20 bottles of water. It works, right? Alright, number 9 says, what are the first 5 multiples of the number 3? What are the first 5 multiples of 3? Write it down. 3, 6.
15.
That's the first 5, so what should we write? 3. Yes. Make sure you put a comma in between. You want to do a number line? Perfect. I love the idea of a number line. Alright. When you guys get into small group, Jarrell already did it. I never understand why he always do his work early, but never do what I asked him to do. Alright. Erase this because it's wrong. That's the right answer. This one, but these is wrong. 4 times, we started at 6, right? So 4 times what? Skip down by 4. 0, 2, 4. How many we need to skip? What goes after 4? What goes after 8? What goes after 12? Circle it. And what's next? Thank you. So then what should you write on the line? No, 4. 4 times what? 4 times 2 is what? Huh? Oh, what should we put that? No, this first one should be 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is 1. Reverse that for 1. And make sure you put the right answer.
Oh.
Take your time. That's why don't go ahead because you don't know what to do. You don't never read the instructions.
12 times 12 is 24.
Do your exit ticket. Sorry, forgot to say do your exit ticket. How can you tell 24 is a multiple of a given number? How can you tell it's a multiple of a given number? Cause what? Hey, ponytail. Hey, little ponytail.
Hey.
After I pick 1, 2, 3, down.
But you need to do this one. Alright, we're about to switch. We spent a little over time. We went over 30. So, 3rd grade. 3rd grade. 4th grade. Well, 4th grade, let me tell y'all what to do first. 4th grade, you need to do page 151 and 152. That is your independent work. Read the instructions. See what it's asking you to do. Don't just do what you want to do. Read the instructions. You guys can go to the back table and work on it. You may listen to your music while you do your work. If I come around, your work is not complete, you gotta cut the music off.
Okay, I got the wait, I got the 150. Hey, but
Keep gonna move. Deshaun, move. Go to your seat, sir.
no.
Thank you. Giovanni, come to the table. Giovanni, go to your seat.
You want me to stop this video?
Yeah. I would have cut it, but is it still recording?
It's 30 minutes. Yeah, 29. Keep it going.